So this is another truck I'm trying to show you. This is a 2002 Dodge Dakota. This is going to be a lot more what you're used to, especially with the Dakota you had. It's the same size. This one just has the full 4 doors and it actually runs, so it's going to be a little better for you. Go ahead and take a look at this side. My lovely assistant will walk around. You can see there's some minor imperfections on the vehicle, but it's pretty good shape. It has some of the equipment you're looking for, especially 4 doors. This thing has just as much space, you know, as that Ram. This is going to be able to fit the car seat. You're not able to, there we go, thank you. Thank you. As you can tell, it's going to be able to fit you and your family, as many as you guys want to grow. It's same equipment on the inside. It's the SLT, cruise control. It's got your aftermarket CD player. This has everything you want at a price that you're going to be a lot happier with. I think this one's going to be a much better fit for you. So come on down, take a look. You still filming? We're still, okay.
Yeah.
Just do it. Sure.